Now that you have learned the key integrations between GFS and other PeopleSoft modules, and developed an understanding of the roles and responsibilities for managing financial support in GFS, let's explore the GFS Center. The GFS Center will be your landing page for accessing information and links required for your role in managing financial support for your grad, postdoc, and non-matric populations. Similar to all access centers, links and features in the GFS Center are organized into portlets containing like information. Take a moment when you first log in to the GFS Center to orient yourself to the available resources, some of which we will highlight here. The first thing that you will likely notice when you log into the GFS Center is a series of tiles at the top of the page. Tiles summarize key action items. Click the tile to link directly to view additional detail and take action. Moving down the page, next you will find your primary entry point to view and/or update financial support for your grad, postdoc, and non-matric populations. There are a couple of different ways that you can search. First, click on the population, grad, postdoc, or non-matric that you wish to search. You can use Quick Search to search by name or EMPL ID, or use Advanced Search to search by multiple search factors including aid year and/or home department. Please note, if you wish to include home department, template ID, or user ID in your search results, click the checkbox for the applicable fields. The template ID and user ID fields are used primarily for searching for records that were imported into GFS via the batch load process. More on that in the 8-entry training modules. Search results return records for grads, postdocs, and non-matrics who are active in PeopleSoft for the period being searched, meaning that they have an active program plan with the registrar's office. Once search results are returned, click the record that you wish to view to navigate to the 8-entry page. GFS was introduced in its current form starting with aid year 2018, which corresponds to academic year, which covers autumn 2017 through summer 2018. To view and/or update records prior to aid year 2018, select the Legacy GFS link from the GFS menu. Directly next to the GFS search, you will find the GFS Bulletin Board and Calendar. Check here for notifications and reminders of key GFS business deadlines. Alerts are organized into enrollment, entry, and FYI alerts. To visit the alerts portlet, click one of the tiles. As you will learn in more detail during subsequent training modules, aid that you manage for your grads, postdocs, and non-matrics is subject to policy requirements, many of which relate to the level of student enrollment or postdoc appointment. Because enrollment or appointment levels can change throughout the year, alerts notify you when something has changed, and a previous entry may require your attention. Alerts are generated nightly, reflecting activity from the previous day. In general, alerts are displayed for activity within the current quarter. To download your list of current alerts into Excel, click Export to Excel at the top of the portlet. Alerts are presented to you based upon your preferences. To set your preferences, click the gear in the upper right of the access screen next to your name. Scroll to the bottom of the Preferences page to see your alerts preferences. As a new user approver, the following preferences have been defaulted for you. Aid Entry Role. You will see alerts related to all aid entry lines that you have originated. Home Department Approver Role. You will see alerts for all departments for which you are an approver. You may change your preferences at any time. For example, if you have the aid entry role, you may wish to see alerts for your entire department rather than just the lines you've originated. Or, if you manage several departments, you may wish to view alerts for only one department at a time. Your alerts will refresh immediately each time you change your preferences. Remember, click Save before leaving the Preferences page.